Hey guys, Richard here with a quick update about the Addmotor E-310, the City Tri or Tri-City, whatever it's affectionately called. So a viewer alerted me yesterday about the website says that shipping is now October. And so my first thought was, well, they probably sold out of the first batch, and so the second batch is coming in later, so it's a later date. But I reached out to Addmotor to, just get clarification to make sure. And the email response I get back was, well, unfortunately, and I stopped reading for a moment because we know what comes after that is just nothing but bad news, right? Unfortunately, there has been a delay in the shipping of the first batch. So the first batch is now not going to arrive until sometime the 1st of October. But they have already ordered a second batch, and the second batch will be shipping out in the middle of October as well. So it's unfortunate that there's been shipping delays, and that just happens from time to time. For instance, the electric XP trike over here, I'm waiting for parts for that. I was supposed to get new fenders for that at the end of August, and August came and went. So I reached out to Electric a couple of days ago, and they told me the same thing. Unfortunately, there's shipping delays, and we don't have them yet, and we hope to be getting them soon. So, it's just the nature of the beast. It's something we all have to learn to live with from time to time. There are things out of everyone's control, and certainly this is, not necessarily the fault of the manufacturer in any way. Sometimes it's just a delay in shipping and logistics, and yeah, so it is what it is. So the City Tri 310 is delayed again, so it will be sometime in October before we'll be getting that. So in the meantime, yeah, just sit back, be patient like I am, because I know a lot of you are interested in it, because a lot of people have reached out to me, asked questions. Some of you have told me you went ahead and pre-ordered it, and some of you are just waiting for my review before you decide whether or not you can order it or not. So I appreciate that. I really do appreciate the trust that you have and knowing that you'll get an honest review out of me here. So as soon as I get it, I will let you know, and we will move forward from there, right? So yeah, that's it for this one. Just wanted to give you that quick update. Until the next video, ride safe.